In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Microsoft Teams desktop app. We'll be starting from the web version of Microsoft Teams, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click to install the full desktop app on your computer. This is useful if you've been using Teams in your browser and you're ready for a more stable, full-featured experience with better performance and notifications. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams in your web browser. You should be on the main Teams page, where you can see your chats, teams, or meetings. Look toward the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. You're looking for a small icon with 3 vertical dots. These 3 dots usually indicate a menu with more options related to the app or page you're viewing. Take a moment to move your mouse to that top right area. The 3-dot menu can be easy to miss if you're not used to looking for it. It's typically near your profile picture or initials and any other icons related to settings or help. Once you see the 3 dots, click on them to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, you'll see several options. Among them, you should see an option that says Get the Desktop app. This is exactly what you need to install the full Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Go ahead and click on Get the Desktop app. After you click this, your browser will either start downloading the installer file automatically, or it may ask you to confirm that you want to download it. If your browser prompts you, choose to save the file. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder or from the download bar in your browser. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions in the installer. Typically, this means confirming that you want to install Microsoft Teams, waiting a few moments while it installs, and then launching the app when it's done. When the desktop app opens, sign in with the same account you use for the web version. That's it. By using the 3-dot menu at the top right of the web version and selecting Get the Desktop app, you've taken the key step to move from the browser version of Teams to the full desktop